Today we're going to talk about basic sentence structure in ASL, and the two most commonly used are subject verb object and object subject verb. Let's start with the first, subject verb object. Here's a sentence. He has a car. Now the subject would be he, and the verb would be have, and the object would be car. So let's pretend that the he, which is the man, he's standing right over here in the corner next to a woman. So to start this off in ASL, I'm first going to assign a subject, which would be he. Now, since there's a woman standing with him, and we want to distinguish between the two, I'm going to say man and point to he. Now, the verb is going to be have, and the object is going to be car. Now, with a subject pronoun, which is he, I have the ability to point back to the subject right here. So let me sign this. Man, he, that's the subject, have, and then we're going to say car. Then I'm going to point back to the subject pronoun he. Now let's do this a little bit quicker. Man, he, have, car, and point back to the subject pronoun he. Now let's do this without using my voice. In other words, he has a car. Here's another example using the format subject verb object. She has a cell phone. So let's break this down. She is going to be the subject, have is going to be the verb, and cell phone would be the object. So now if I were to sign that, since she's standing right next to the man, I would say woman, she. I would say verb, have. Then I would say cell phone for the object, and I'm going to point right back to the subject pronoun she. So let's do this again. She, woman, she, verb, have, cell phone is the object, and then I'm going to point back to the subject pronoun she. Now let me do this without using my voice. In other words, she has a cell phone. Now let's use the other commonly used ASL sentence format, which is object, subject, verb. And let's stick with the same sentences we used when we were talking about subject, verb, object. So the first sentence is, he has a car. So let's start off with the object, which would be car. And the subject is going to be he, which would be man, there. And also now let's use the verb, which would be have. So let's sign this in ASL. We'll start off with the car, which is the object, and then we'll go to the subject, which is he, man, he, and then we'll sign have for the verb. Now we also can go back to the subject pronoun he. So let's sign this again. Object, car, man, he for the subject, have for the verb, and I'm going to point back to the subject he. Now let's sign this a little bit more smoothly. Car, man, he, have, he. Now let's do this without using my voice. In other words, he has a car. Let's go to the second example, which is she has a cell phone. We're going to use the format object, subject, verb. So let's start off with the object, which is cell phone. Now the subject is going to be woman, and I'm going to point to her, she, and the verb is have. Now I choose to go back to the subject pronoun she. So let's sign this in ASL. Cell phone, object, woman, she, that is the subject, have is the verb, and I'm going to point back to the subject pronoun she. Now let's do this a little bit more smoothly. Cell phone, woman, she, have, she. Now let's do this without using my voice. In other words, she has a cell phone. Now, I've just shown you two of the very most commonly used ASL sentence format, which is subject, verb, object, and object, subject, verb. If you've learned anything from this video, do me the honors. First, hit that like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.